Hi friends, my name is Ram. Today we'll discussing about awards. The Pulitzer Award is given to the journalism. The Grameen Award is given from the music. The Nobel Prize, the most coveted international award of the world, is instituted by Alfred Bernal Nobel. He is invented the dynamite. In 1901, he started issuing the prize in the five fields: field of science, literature, peace, and medical science and economy. The award is given on 10th December in the name of Albert Nobel. He is in Vienna, Austria. First Nobel Prize in Literature received by the Rabindranath Tagore. He is in West Bengal. The Hargobind Khorana was awarded the Nobel Prize of Genetic Code. He is received in medical science. The Dr. C.V. Raman received the Nobel Prize in the year of 1913. He awarded the Raman effect in science. The Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace and Service in the year of 1979. The in the 2014 Nobel Peace Prize was shared with the Malala Yousafzai. She is in Pakistani with Kailash Satyarthi. He was Bachpan Bachao Andolan Peace Award is given in OSLO. Please comment in the section OSLO abbreviation. The main city of Kashmir Valley is Srinagar. Is located in Dal and Mughal Garden. The National Botanical Garden is located in Lucknow. The first Oscar award is given to Satyajit Ray. She was the film director. The two highest gallantry awards are PVC. The PVC abbreviation is Paramveer Chakra, and MVC is abbreviation of Mahavir Chakra. An International Women of Courage Award is given out by the US Department of States. The Oscar Award is given from the outstanding contribution towards film. Mahatma Gandhi Peace Prize is given by Gandhian values. These are the few questions. The Bharat Ratna is exceptional work of advance of arts and literature and science and in the recognized of the public service of highest order. The Padma Bhushan is the second civilian award is exceptional of distinguished service in any field including services rendered by the government servants. Padma Bhushan is the third civilian award is distinguished service of the highest high order in any field including service rendered by the government servants. The last one is Padma Shri is fourth civilian award is distinguished service in any field including the service rendered by government servant. The Paramveer Chakra is highest decoration of the valor and the conspicuous bravery on some during or pre-eminent act on valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy. The Mahavir Chakra is second highest military decoration is conspicuous gallantry in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the air. The Veer Chakra is bravery battlefield during war. The Ashok Chakra is highest peacetime military decoration is most conspicuous bravery or some daring or pre-eminent act of valor or some self-sacrifice during peacetime. Kirti Chakra is the conspicuous gallantry during the peacetime. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is exceptional sports performance is recently given Kohli. The Dhyan Chand Award is Lifetime Achievement Award in the sports. The Dhyan Chand is a hockey player. The Dronacharya Award is to the coach in the sports is given to the coach in the sports. The Arjuna Award is started in the year of 1961 is given in outstanding sports person. The highest sports award of India is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna is recently given Kohli. The Sahitya Academy Award is given Literature Award. The Man Booker International Prize is given to the English novels. The Roman Magsaysay Award is given an award to the Asian persons of various categories and named after Philippine president from the journalism and public service as community leadership and journalism and literature and creativity arts. The Dada Saheb Phalke Award is given to the lifetime achievement in the award in the film industry. These are the few questions asked in awards. Thank you guys. Thank you this watching video. These are the helpful for all defense examinations. It is a static GK. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.